Good morning. Today we are going to design a KVL circuit in tinkercad and we will apply it practically. We need a battery of 9 volt, 4 resistors of 1 kilo ohm, 4 voltmeters, or we can take also voltage multimeters, jump wires, battery cap and wires. Now for the schematic diagram you can have this. As we know in KVL, the algebraic sum of voltage drop in any closed loop circuit is equal to 0. So we have taken 4 resistors, resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3 and resistor 4 of resistance 1 kilo ohm and a battery of 9 volt. We have arranged them in as shown in the schematic diagram. Now we are going to see how much voltage is running through them. As you can see, the voltage meter multimeters are showing the voltage that is running throughout the resistors, and thus we can conclude that the KVL, the algebraic sum of voltage drop in any closed circuit is equal to 0. From the design, we can make a KVL circuit practically.